Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be about how I got my vaccination slot, where was it, and how to go about at the hospital, and also the side effects as well. So let's get to it. So basically I was a part of this Telegram group where they put in allotments and slots of vaccination in and around Mumbai, Thane and a few other places in Maharashtra. I know many people who used coding like smart geeks, coding and postman and a lot of other stuff like that, but again, I mean, it's can't be faster than you manually waiting on the website and getting it done. But one thing that Telegram did was it sent us messages. I'll show it somewhere over here. So that basically says that when was the most slots available in that day, and I have been watching the time roundabout, like it was around about 6 to 6:15, 6:20. So I clearly failed the first few days because I used to search for these slots in the morning and obviously I didn't get it. But what I did was I got into the Coven app at 6:05. I logged in, so then they asked for the OTP. And that the OTP basically it becomes invalid after 15 minutes. So you need to make sure that those 15 minutes you don't have to put it again. So just put it up on 6:05 and literally just keep searching like the keyboard. Like it was literally like Thane, Maharashtra search, Maharashtra, Thane, Maharashtra, Mumbai search, Maharashtra, Palghar search, because for me I needed it desperately, and so for that, I mean, I had to put in those 15 minutes, but those 15 minutes happened to be worth, like I finally got it. They do mention the allotments on Telegram, but again it's a bit slow. Like it's always like 30-40 seconds slow, and that's enough for all the bookings to get over. Like Hinduja has the most slots, at least in the past week, and I happened to get it at there itself.
Can take the vaccine only after completion of 3 months from recovery. वैक्सीनेशन होने से पहले हमारी मेडिकल टीम को अप्रोच करें, उनसे मिलें। थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।
When do they say, like after 6-7 hours maybe it will start affecting also?
Yeah, it differs from person to person.
Is it? Because what I've heard is everyone...
If you relax, nothing will happen actually.
If I stop thinking about it.
It's actually little psychology.
Achha.
More anxious and really.
Because my parents are totally fine, but all my friends above the age of 18 have been like,
no, that's what happened. Depends on person. If you are relaxed, nothing will happen. I'm telling you.
I'll just stop thinking about it.
Yeah, nothing will happen.
Perfectly. Thank you so much, doctor. Take care. Coffee. I've never come this side.
That is a bond thing. I mean,
वो ताज है, हाँ उसके नीचे मेरा कॉलेज है। किधर है कॉलेज? ये इधर पीछे। So let's not wait for long also. If you guys have finished watching that, so now I'm just going to talk about the side effects. Honestly, I don't know what the science is behind this, but everyone who has taken between the age of 18 to 44 have had like adverse effects, and the ones above 45 haven't. Like my parents, my grandparents or whatever, they have been like totally fine with it. Hey guys, so it's been around about 8-9 hours that I've been vaccinated, and I've taken up 2 dolos, that is the paracetamols. Not much of any side effects, but I'm guessing the medicines are making me sweat a lot, and also my head does feel a bit heavy. But and I'm damn sleepy today, and I don't know why, but 9 hours there's not much issue, so go get vaccinated. I mean, it's just one day, so I've had dolos and paracetamols basically. I've had 3-4 like in the past 24 hours. I didn't have much effect last night until 3:30. I got up at 3:30 and then...
Hey guys, so it's around 6 a.m. and I've been having a slight body ache and fever since 3:34 a.m. It's been around about 2 hours. Kind of spoiled my sleep, but I think it's quite a regular that people getting vaccine do get a slight body ache or something. Anywho,
I started feeling the chills and a bit of fever and body ache, and then I couldn't sleep till like 6:30. So then I just got up, had something and had a paracetamol. I had like a heavy headache, like crazy headache, but that also like eventually died throughout the day. So right now it's been like around about 6 right now, so say just over 24 hours, and I feel way better. I have a bit of a sore on my hand, and eventually I thought that was like my muscle or my tricep, but not just soreness because of the injection. But anywho, yeah, rest is fine. Like just rest. Like don't do anything. Like after you get the first jab or even the second, just like stay in bed for like for the entire day. You might feel a bit of weakness and stuff, but that's fine. Yeah, I think that's about it for this video. I am going back to rest. Probably one more day. I mean, today the entire day. I don't want to like overdo anything, especially with screen time. So people are still roaming out with bikes, but yeah. So that's that, and it's very hot, and I'm going to switch on the fan again. Also, you guys might start sweating after maybe like after 6-7 hours, but it's basically because of the paracetamols and just a few side effects. But honestly, I think everyone should like go for it, especially the ones who are planning to like go abroad, like students or family members. Like there are some provisions made by the government, so you can do that. Rest तो यार जाके ले लो यार, free का भी मिल रहा है, you're getting it for paid as well. Yeah, that's about it I think. Hope you guys are safe, hope you guys take the vaccine, hope you guys get the slots. And honestly, one more thing, just don't look where you're getting the slots. Wherever you see the green, wherever you see the green mark, just like click it and just confirm it and just get going, because seriously you're just home. So like one day of travel won't kill you, harm you. Kill is a big word, harm you. So take care, and make sure if you like this and if it's informative, share it with someone who requires it. And bus, like I said, yeah, 6 o'clock, just sit on the Coven app, keep refreshing the shit out of that thing. What? And I think this should be fine. Anyways, adios amigos.